better idea. Let's make bubble snakes. I love bubble snakes. Sure you do. And today they're going to be extra special. All we need is a bowl of water. Tick. Washing up liquid. Tick. Socks with bottles without bottoms and they're empty. No water, otherwise I'll spill in my face. Tick. Old socks. Tick. Some hair bands to keep them secure and keep them stuck together. Otherwise, they're gonna be ticky ticky tick. These look so stretchy. Scratch them one. It's so scratchy. Okay, food colouring next. This is all the ingredients we need. Okay. So step one, we're gonna put washing up liquid. This. See what we're doing. Otherwise, we're gonna be blobbies like that. Okay, ready? So step one, we're gonna put washing up liquid into the bowl. Yeah. I didn't hear what you said. Anyway, I'll tell me when to do this. I will put it there. Right. Okay. Step two. What's it? I don't know what to do. Step two, we're going to put the socks in the bottle. They match. Yeah. What do we have to do with the hairband? Now we're going to do the hairband. You get your own one. Sorry, shit. Oh, now it's time to do the food colouring. Okay, we finished the food colouring bit. I'm so excited to dip. Okay. And then, okay. Whoa! It's rainbow! Look at it. That's so cool, Alia. Yo, bro! Snake fight! Snake fight! Ali, do you want a snake fight? You can have that. I'll go a little higher. Well, it's very big, Alia. Yeah, well, it's a big tower. And guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Bum 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 bum.